Hello, this is a very wet, secluded valley not far away from Osaka, Japan. And I'm sitting in the middle of population of extremely rare and interesting plant. Where is it? It's all around me and I'm making effort not to step on it. Plants are extremely small because they are Pseuphila nana. Nana means small, and this is one of the smallest representatives of Triuridaceae family. Triuridaceae are amazing mycoparasitic plants. This is why the plant is reddish. Reddish in color. If you want to search it, you should search for something not exactly plant-like, something dark purplish red. So this is one of the very interesting character. Reddish color means plant does not do photosynthesis. It will feed on a fungus, and all family Triuridaceae are mycoparasites. Most northern Triuridaceae, Pseuphila nana, is right here. So normally plants are completely tropical. Genus Pseuphila is pantropical, grows in Africa, grows in Southeast Asia and in South America, and this place is one of the most northern localities of this endangered and protected in Japan plant. Pseuphila nana belongs to that unique Triuridaceae group, which has multiple strange things, not only mycoheterotrophy or mycoparasitism, which is taking nutrients from fungus, kind of cheating way, to grow in the presence of something else. For example, around me are big cryptomerias. So cryptomerias are probably will give fungus something, but Pseuphila will not. So this is actually triple connection. Fungus is connected to cryptomeria as a mycorrhizal fungus, and while Pseuphila is cheating, is attaching itself kind of man in the middle between cryptomeria and fungus, and will take both water and nutrients from all this system. Pseuphila does not have many characters which are normal for mycoheterotrophic plants though. Most interesting and strange, still not explainable, is the presence of well-developed root system. So most of Triuridaceae have well-developed root system and root hairs, which is absolutely non-needed for mycoheterotrophic plants. That's a miracle which is still not solved. Second, very interesting thing, and actually a miracle as well, is kind of location of male and female parts. All Triuridaceae have male and female flowers. Bisexual flowers exist, but they are very rare, and I will speak about them later. So male flowers in Triuridaceae, like in Pseuphila, located not on bottom of inflorescence, but on top of it, and female flowers located on bottom of inflorescences. Moreover, in male flowers there are only few stamens, normally just 3 stamens, whereas in female flowers there are many, typically more than 10 pistils. This is completely opposite to what we see typically in all flowering plants. Normally in flowering plants, if male and female flowers are present, then female flowers will have small number of pistils and male flowers will have big number of stamens. Male flowers will be located on bottom and female flowers will be located on top, because female organs are responsible for pollination and also for seed distribution, and that will require kind of more prominent location. Well, this is not only one strange thing about Triuridaceae. Nobody observed how these plants are pollinated. So we can guess. Plants are pollinated with some small insects because they have lots of adaptations to insect pollination. But how exactly it is pollinated, it's still a miracle. For that we need kind of stable and good population of one of Triuridaceae plant. For example, this population is a good candidate for observations of that sort. So maybe with that population we can solve this mystery of pollination of Pseuphila and other Triuridaceae. Who is their pollinators? Also, nobody saw how seeds, actually fruits, one-seeded fruits of Trioideaceae are distributed. Again, there are multiple hypotheses, and we still don't know how seeds are going away from the plant. And kind of, well, the star of Trioideaceae is one genus which is very similar to Siphylla. Actually, all of them are very similar to each other. I mean, like all of them are small, non-green herbs and typically have strange color, white or purplish, like Siphylla. And typically, again, flowers are monosexual, so they have either male or female organs. However, there are typical, sometimes bisexual flowers, and one genus, Lacandonia, have reverse flower. This is absolutely amazing. What I mean by reverse flower? Reverse flower means that in Lacandonia, the female part are outside and stamens are in the center. This is absolutely outstanding amongst all flowering plants, and that led to hypothesis that flowers of Siphylla, of Triuris, of Lacandonia, and many other Trioideaceae might be not exactly flowers. They might be kind of simplified and modified inflorescences. Recent molecular research, for example, joined Trioideaceae in one order with two very strange families of monocots, with Pandanus, Pandanaceae, and Cyclanthus, Cyclanthaceae, and both of them are characterized by extremely modified inflorescences. In Pandanus, for example, flowers within inflorescence are so well connected together that it's very hard to say where is one flower and where is another. So in Pandanus, female flowers are typically, well, united in phalanx. There is a special name for that organ, phalanx, because within a phalanx it's completely unclear where are individual flowers. So there's a very interesting hypothesis that in Trioideaceae we deal with inflorescences, not flowers. This is why they are located such a strange way. This is why there are so many female organs, and this is why Lacandonia has reverse kind of flowers or pseudo flowers. So Siphylla is extremely rare plant, and this is a large population of this endangered plant in Japan, and I hope the presence of that population will help us to solve some miracles of Trioideaceae family. I'm here only because my Japanese colleagues led me to that place and showed that population. So I'm extremely grateful to Yamazumi-san and Nishimura-san. Thank you very much.